Yo guys, what's up? So today we just found a new like a ringtone, new ringtone over here. So we go to notifications. And then when you go to notifications, you see Halloween income ringtone. This beat is kind of fire. And basically, that just came out right at 7:02 today, October 18th. There's not an incoming, but I think there's not any outgoing yet. Though, that's the problem. I've been searching up probably the things that have the outgoing, but I can't find it. Alright guys, so that's what I wanted to show you, and peace out.